Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we did continue to the downside. Now, the important thing, yes, that happened yesterday is this weekly structure that we've been battling with for so long has given way. Now, we've got massive divergence here on the weekly, and I'm not entirely convinced that we are falling to the floor. I'm just going to put this next weekly level in here. You can see we're just a little bit short of it. Below that, they're quite far away, but that's kind of the zone that I'm looking at the moment. And the minute you start coming down through the time frames, starting with the 8 hour, you see that there is a bit of divergence from the moving averages. We are technically in a downtrend that was confirmed there last week. And you can see pretty much down, up, and then continue down. So the sellers are coming in off every pullback, which is what you would expect in this kind of trend. So the 3 hour, it's pretty clear. Last week was a very clear downtrend, and we didn't really bounce off. Oh, we did. I lie. Sorry. So we did bounce off. Correct myself. We did bounce off this previous swing low from 2 weeks ago. You can see there it is there for a strong move down. So this is my next line in the sand. That's 15,453. We haven't really got this morning. Started off with a move down, but we haven't really tested any structure. So I'll take that with a large tub of salt. And you can see there yesterday there was our rejection. We'll look at that on the lower time frame, but clear downtrend below all the moving averages. So we're looking for structure to bounce off to the downside. So bear in mind that this is the weekly level 15,453. We did close below it yesterday. We did rally a bit, but I would expect this level to be tested again. And I'm going to be a little bit cautious because I'm not going to trust it on the lower time frames. I'm going to want to see an hourly rejection at least of this level before getting too excited, and that's 15,453. So starting off with the 15 minutes yesterday, and you can see that was our level, but a little bit of a shaky opportunity. It's a massive, not quite the structure we look for, so it's not an engulfing bar. It's a gap down and close below, so but it is bearish structure. It's pretty much don't have a name for you on it, but if I look left, you're more than likely, if I adjust the level onto, for example, that pin bar there, you see it pretty much off it. So that was definitely an opportunity, especially when you saw that. That would have been 50-point stop loss and pretty big moves to the downside. So for me, I suspect we got more of the same, but this is definitely going to be in the crosshairs this morning. So that's 15,453. Bulls are going to want to get it back above there and recover. You can see they did try yesterday, but they failed. They're going to try again today, pretty much guaranteed of that. So if we get another rejection here, then there should be a move down. First to test the lows of yesterday, and then to test the next weekly level at 15,296. That's the one scenario. The other scenario could really be just build a base and then rapidly move to the downside to reach this target here. I'm a little bit reluctant of trying to jump in short down here. I'd want structure, and the other bit of structure that we do have is right here. You can see if you look left, there's a lot of structure here. So this could also impact price, but there are gaps here as well, so I'm a little bit reluctant here. So that's 15,394. Actually just rounded off to 15,400. So 15,400, you're looking for a rejection there for a move down to 15,296. That's the only move that I can see at the moment. If we get above this, I'm going to be a little bit more cautious, because then I think the bulls are really going to try to get above this level here at 15,450. 15,453, 15,450. There is a gap here as well, which is going to influence us, and then there's a pin bar tail there as well, so you can see that there. So that's kind of my view at the moment. I don't think you're going to have much going on today. I think you're probably going to find us just mucking around between each of these levels at the moment. So I think I'm going to be a little bit more cautious and sit on the sides and wait this one out. We'll have a look at currencies. I have a feeling we're going to have something brewing on Euro USD or Euro British Pound at the moment. So anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.